I'm Dr. Shelbay Blanco, a faculty of Gullas College of Medicine. The COVID-19 incident or health event, it's our unit who's handling the COVID-19 event in the region. All the schools are enjoined to participate. COVID-19 event, it should not be handled by Department of Health alone, but it should be on a multi-sectoral collaboration and approach, and that's why UV Gullas College of Medicine can partake a greater role by giving verified information, and we can do that by teaching our students these verified information, making them aware of what this novel coronavirus is, and in turn they can pass it on to their friends, families who do not know, or more especially those who are not medically oriented or inclined persons. Since the start of the ISU unit before it was merged, I am already a part of the UV Gulia, so that would be since 2017. Language barrier alone, and not to mention the cultural differences, is always a challenge. But with UV Gullas College of Medicine, they have incorporated a curriculum wherein students from international or from other countries would be able to adapt the system, and likewise so that in turn they will not be culturally shocked. UV Gullas College of Medicine is a school that is involved or specializing in medicine, and therefore can be a contributor to health promotion, especially in terms of combating or lessening the exposure of people who are at risk of the coronavirus 19, and by making the students aware of the needed information. That's why it's verified information, because nowadays we are into infodemics, and when we talk of infodemics, there's a barrage of information, and with the influx of these information, we do not know which one is true, which one is false, and that's why by giving the students verified information coming from verified sources, Department of Health for one, City Health Office, they can contribute to lessening exposure, and they can contribute to containment of the virus, perhaps. As far as I know, most of us are currently practicing in different fields of medicine. Makes us also clinicians, and that makes us a valuable source of clinical practice. Likewise, since we get to teach students what we have also learned from based on our practice. First, as early as second year, they're exposed to clinics that can set this UP College of Medicine set apart from other colleges and medical colleges. Likewise, we are also molding them to become compassionate physicians, not just learned students, but likewise physicians with a heart. And at the same time, we're also molding them to have fun. That's why there are student activities, that we are organizing such student activities, no? And we are involving them in terms of such activities. In terms of didactics, faculty are dovetailing their clinical experiences, and likewise inputting empathy, and likewise sharing these experiences somehow could also impart or mold them into becoming physicians with a heart, or being compassionate. As I've already said, there are student activities, and there is a center for student activities, and this office or unit is also coordinating with the student government, and in turn create or craft activities or strategies that could enhance learning of the students, not just in the classroom but likewise learnings of the student in terms of socio-civic activities and other extracurricular activities. The University of Visayas College of Medicine is a development in process, and of course we are expecting influx of students, and that's why we are inviting you to be part of the students that we would like to mold uh, to become physicians with a heart, and likewise not just physicians with a heart but likewise physicians who are having fun, no? As they say, life is always putting into the right perspectives, and that's what we would like to put in the students, to instill in the students, not just imparting best knowledge but likewise imparting or instilling in them the values that will make them better physicians later on. If you would like to be trained in UV Gullas College of Medicine, then you can uh, drop by in Bada Palini, Chennai. Go and come see for yourself.